So good morning everyone and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated October 20, 2023. So a small disclaimer, registration granted by SEBI, membership of Basel and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediate, provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets are subject to market risk and read all related documents carefully before investing. So without taking your much time, I'll start with Nifty chart analysis. As you can see, yesterday Nifty had a negative opening of around 100 points and then it moved lower. It tried to recover, but at the end, closed below the 21 and the 50 DMA. The good part in the last few sessions, apart from the fall, is that Nifty has been falling on lower volume, as we can see. Two distribution days have expired, and currently the distribution day count stands at three, which is a good sign, and that is why. Even with the breach of key moving averages, we are still in a confirmed uptrend. And going forward, reclaim of these key moving averages will be really important. If distribution day count increases and markets continue to remain below the key moving averages, then we might have to downgrade the market status from confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. On the flip side, if key moving averages get reclaimed, distribution day counts continue to remain under control, then markets will continue to remain in confirmed uptrend. So, talking about as the Q2 results season is on the way. Business updates from key companies are coming in, and we'll be talking about business updates from some key companies. So, Bajaj Finance Q2 business update. Q2 AUM grew by 33% to 2.9 lakh crores versus 2.18 lakh crores YOY. Alert AUM in Q2 FY24 grew by approximately 20,100 crores. VST Tillers Tractors and STC Investments partner to bring the best-in-class tractors for farmers in India. The joint venture VST Zetor will be initially launching three tractors. Maharashtra Bank's Q2 FY24 deposit grew 22.2% YY to 2.39 lakh crores. Gross advances grew 23.5% YY to 1.83 lakh crores. Dmart's Q2 FY24 revenue from operations grew 18.5% YY to 12,308 crores. The total number of stores stood at 336 as of September. Titagarh Wagons signed a contract worth rupees 857 crores with the Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation to manufacture 72 standard gauge cars for the first phase of Surat Metro Rail. APL Apollo's Q2 FY24 sales volume grew 12% YOY to 6,74,761 tons. This is the highest quarterly sales volume reported by the company. For H1 FY24, sales volume grew 30% YOY to 13,36,262 tons. Talking about the global market update, as you can see, all the three US indices closed lower. Dow Jones closed lower 1.3%. Which shows that the US labor market continues to remain strong, which is why the US Treasury yields edged higher to an post 2007 high of 4.84% at 10-year yield. And markets will be expecting rate hikes by US Fed. And if the rate hike happens, that is expected to slow down the US. If the rate hike happens, that is expected to slow down the housing market in US, and which can probably tumble down the economy. And that is why you can see the equities in US collapsing, and similar reaction was happened in the Asian markets as well. The two Asian markets, the Nikkei and the Kospi, were trading lower by around 1.9 and 2.1%, and Shanghai Composite was closed for the day. Even GIFT Nifty is indicating a negative opening. Yesterday's close was around 528, 19,528, and today's opening is anywhere indicating 100 points lower. And if anything is to go by the global markets, markets can remain negative for the day as well. So talking about the chart of the day for us is KEI Industries. As you can see, the stock is forming a stage to cup with the handle base, which is a good sign. The RS line has started to trend higher, which is also a good sign. All the parameters for the stock is very good. EPS strength at 92, price strength at 80, buyer demand is also very good. The fund holding for the stock have been improving. Return on equity for the stock is very good at 18%, and even the past few results for the stock have been very strong. As you can see, the stock has not shown any major signs of distribution. Whenever the stock has fallen, the stock has fallen during the base on lower volumes, which is a good sign. So no signs of distribution. Going forward, overall, the business aspect and the fundamental aspect for the company continues to remain strong. And if the stock breaks out an above average volume, it can be a good stock to watch out for if the market remains highly supportive. As you were discussing earlier, markets can become a little jittery on account of increased interest rates by the US Fed. But if things sail out pretty smoothly going forward and markets continue to remain in confirm uptrend with a key retake of key moving average and this stock breaking out on above average volume and remaining in the ideal buy range can be a good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m.